Ayan, heavy snow. Ayan, ano. Yung wind papunta doon sa... Kaya wala masyadong snow doon sa banda. Doon wala kayong snow. So, yung hangin papunta dito. Ayan. Daming snow. Buti at hindi ako dyan sa shower. Hindi na kasi ako magsha-shovel kasi ba. Hindi pala pwede. Kasi dapat yung P is an Elsa or P na hindi sa magsistay ng isang spot kasi mamamatay mas lalong mamamatay yung grass kung in one spot sila iihi. So it will be better na lang yun nga in everywhere since wala talaga kaming pang potty area sa dog. We don't have the right spot good for them because it's all grass in here. So and this barricade yung fence na I made there, I'm gonna put it back or put it away. Not gonna use that anymore. So yeah, ayan, it's blowing wind na lang or blowing wind. So heavy snow yan kasi puting-puti and it's heavy snow, guys. So dito naman sa deck area dyan walang snow, so dito lang siya banda and there. So ayan, it's just wind now. 3 p.m. na and yan, walang snow, ano na lang wind. Puti si snowman is nagka-survive pa si snowman. Puting-puti, oh grabe. Tapos higher, mataas yung snow dito sa amin banda. So kasi from the wind from doon tapos punta dito. So yan, dito sa corner namin may ano. And magpo-cross stitch ulit ako. Yun lang, share ko lang, update